Okay, so we're running a quick demo here for how Webdav, is it client?
Yeah, Webdav client.
How Webdav client works. This is a shortcut on my desktop that we're launching. And the first time we logged in, we actually had a login window that came up, and we already logged in. So somehow it's saving the attributes or saving the
Username, password, yeah.
somewhere
Yeah.
on the system. Okay, here's the folders, and I this is just a test. It's not on our system, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's at, yeah.
So here are some of the these are some of the commands or some of the functions that this program does. One of them, which was interesting, was the checkout. So we hit the checkout here, and it gives us options to lock before checkout. It's kind of we'll have to figure out what these really mean.
Yeah, well, our system only supports an exclusive lock.
Okay, so
Yeah.
there's no shared
There's
locks.
no shared locks.
Okay, and as you notice here now, there's a little icon here. I guess this would mean that that's checked out. Let's try to lock it. Well, I guess we could check it back in.
You have to check it back in. Yeah.
Okay, and it doesn't show. I guess it knows where it is. Is that the idea?
Yeah.
Okay,
Well, you haven't downloaded it yet.
we haven't. Okay,
No.
so let's download it.
So check it out. So do the checkout,
Okay,
and then now download. So this simulates downloading it. You're gonna, yeah, say save. And then you work on it, doing whatever you're gonna do. And then now update file.
there's also an updated file,
Right.
and so there's the chrysanthemum,
Yeah.
and we see a progress bar down here.
Yep. And now right mouse click and then check in. And then, yep. And now right mouse click on the file and you'll see versions. And it has all the versions now.
Oh, yeah, and it also saved our last session, which was a few minutes ago. It looks
Yeah.
like.
Right.
Okay,
So this
and it looks like there's also some version editing available down here.
yeah. And some of that we support and some of it we don't.
Okay, but it does have a nice sort of directory tree here on the left.
Yeah.
Okay,
So this could be built into ProjCat directly.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
it's definitely a good starting point.
Yeah.
If I double clicked on it, it did open the file. It doesn't look like it's checked out. So,
You can do checkout. And then
and now it just marks it with that checkout attribute. Is that
yeah. Let's see. Let's see if we can actually edit something.
okay? This
Um,
this one's open here.
Yeah,
Can we-
close that. We should probably do
Open with.
actually find a different type of file. Yeah, maybe general doc. And just double click.
So this,
Click yes to open directly from the web. Yeah. So let's change it. Hit save.
okay. And close it.
Yep.
It is a little
It's on the web.
okay.
Yeah.
So that's
now let's open it again.
file upload pause.
Yep, there it is.
It did save it. Yeah.
Did save it. So this is an example of a client that you can download and use and get the source code from if you buy it from the company.
Right. Okay. So this is already kind of a package off the shelf solution.
Yeah, so it gives you something to start with. And then you can do check-in, so you're done editing.
Well, I'm kind of looking at some of the
Oh,
other.
manage locks, yeah.
So remove lock.
Yeah, in our system, it would depend on your permissions if you could do that.
And now it's a shared lock, I guess. I'm not really sure what that means.
I think write can be done by one person, but read can be done by others.
So that's what we have that already,
We,
actually.
we have that capability, but I think we made it so once you have it checked out, no one can get at it.
Once you have it checked out, you can still copy it, but you can't. You can't.
Yes, I suppose you could.
Yeah, so it's a different way of doing it, but we actually have the same functionality. Okay, so we did versions, manage logs, check in. Okay,
Yeah,
so
with us, we can't disable versioning.
but our lock, yeah, and we don't really want to,
No.
or we could maybe set how many. I don't know. We'll talk about that later. But our lock actually does lock it to where nothing can happen.
Right.
Okay, so we have a different type of lock.
It's a different type of lock than this.
Right. This one is actually just a different permissions.
Ours is like a total freeze.
Right.
You can't do anything.
Okay. So that's our quick example of Webdav.